Welcome back, everybody. We got up to 84 degrees today. That's actually higher than our average. Our average for this time of year is only 81 degrees, but that's not too bad compared to the record that was set in 1923, 97 degrees. So 84 doesn't sound too bad right about now. Precipitation, we didn't have a whole lot of rain today, but that may change in the upcoming days. But for the year, we're actually above average, about 4 inches above average. So we're getting that rain in early this year. Right now, we're at 75 degrees. It feels like 75 degrees, and those winds are coming from the northeast at 8 miles per hour. What to expect for your day tomorrow? Starting off, sunrise is at 6:22 a.m. Sunset is at 9:15. So we're getting roughly 15 hours of sunshine tomorrow. So what does that mean for your next 5 days? Saturday, we warm up to 78 degrees for our high. With that comes a chance of isolated showers that will carry into our Sunday, but we warm up to 80 degrees. But that's a lot different than our Monday. We only warm up to 74 degrees, and there's a reason for that. We have a cold front starting to move in. We started off the day in the upper 60s, lower 70s for most of the region. We warmed up to our daytime high of 85 degrees here in Terre Haute. Mattoon got up to 87, and then Flora was at 87 as well. Right now, since that sun has set, we have dropped down in temperature. Terre Haute is at 75, Bloomington is at 76, and then Flora has dropped down to 78 degrees. Winds are coming from the northeast. Fairly calm for tonight, but those will start to pick up as we get into the overnight hours and even into Saturday morning. Feels like right now pretty true to that temperature, 75 degrees in Terre Haute. Bloomington is at 76, and then Champaign is holding on at 79 degrees. So it's still pretty warm over there. Looking at the entire U.S., we're going to focus on 2 points here. Over to the west of us, we see this little bit of a system that's going to start to push through. We will see that at the start of next week. That's actually why we're a little low in temperature starting on Monday. But right now, we're going to focus right here. We have a low pressure system settled to the south of us that's actually going to bring us some rain starting tonight. Just to give you a visual, right now it's a little to the south of us. That is going to start to move in starting tonight. We could see some pop-up showers overnight tonight, but not a whole lot of precipitation associated with this system. Looking at the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar, right now there's not too much happening here in Terre Haute. The majority of it will be happening to the southeast of us. We won't see that system start to move in until Saturday morning. Just to give you a visual, ahead of this system is some heavy cloud coverage, so once you see those clouds start to move in, you can expect some rain to start to pop up. Right now we're in the southeast counties. Bloomington will experience some rain early Saturday morning. The majority of us won't experience that rain until later in the day. Around 10, maybe 11 o'clock in the morning is when we're going to see the majority of this rain. Really, we're not expecting more than ½ an inch from this system. We may hear a few rumbles of, thunder throughout the day, but not much from this system. It moves out pretty quick. As we get into the early evening hours on Saturday, we're left with mostly cloudy conditions. We won't see that rain wrap back around until we get to Sunday. Around the same time in the morning, we see that system start to move through. Terre Haute will be experiencing some rain around 11 a.m. So if you're out and about for the weekend, make sure you have an umbrella handy. You may get some pop-up showers. Tonight, we drop down to 64 degrees, partly cloudy as those isolated showers start to move in. And those winds are coming from the northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Once again, those winds are going to play a part as we get into tomorrow. It's going to start to push that rain back into our viewing area. It's at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we only warm up to 78 degrees, which is fairly cool for this time of year. So if you're looking for a cool down, tomorrow is your day. So partly sunny skies, and once again, those isolated showers are going to pop up throughout the day. So what does this mean for your next 7 days? Saturday and Sunday, we do have some isolated showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. High of 80 degrees for Sunday, our last warm day for a while, because as we go into Monday, that cold front starts to push through. A high of only 74 degrees. We warm up briefly in the middle of the week, and then we don't warm back up from that system until Friday with a high of 78 degrees.